Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable security notifications on WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the account settings. Here, you can find the security notifications option. Tap on it. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right beside Show Security Notifications option and turn it off. And this is how you can disable security notifications on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.